Well, looks like I'm gonna have to move Mr. Coil here. That's all right. It's temporary. There's just one little bolt here. Was sitting on top of the manifold, but it's just getting in the way of the carburetor, so I decided to put it down here. Okay, and we'll just leave the bolt in it. We'll just sit right there. There. Okay, now I can see what I'm doing. Let's come back in here with the wrench. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier. Most of working on any car, for that matter, is making room just to get at what you're trying to get at. All right, let's see if that's loose enough to lift and turn. No, not yet. Tried to find my ratcheting end wrenches, but no such luck right now. Nice thing about working on trucks is you can lean on the radiator. Oh, come on. Sometimes you can lay across the engine if you want. I wouldn't recommend it. It's gonna makes you sore. And this, oh, come on. Oh, this is gonna take a while. No, maybe not. Definitely a time-lapse situation here. Well, if you got nothing better to do, just hang out with me and sit here and try to get a bolt off together. Let's see. Almost there. That's why I didn't take these off, because the whole damn thing would go crashing. So we don't want to do that. But who knows? We might just do it anyway. Nah. Let's see if we can keep one foot on the dock and the other one on the boat. I don't know. Let's see. Is this a time for an edit? Well, it looks like they had a stud in there. Some kind of a wonky stud, but here, I'll show you what I'm looking at here. All right, right there. See that bolt? There's no real spacer. Whoop finger that way, John. Right there. No spacer in between the bracket here and the head. Just kind of hanging there. So anytime you buy a used vehicle, you're bound to find little surprises everywhere. So let's try this again. Keep going. Keep going. started working on cars when I was 14. Mom had a 64 Chevy Impala 4-door. Yeah, that's where I learned my first oil change and tune-up. It's back in the day when you had to clean your spark plugs because of leaded gas. They'd gum up, so you had to get in there with a wire brush and pick and scraper those plugs cleaned and re-gapped and file your points. This, believe it or not, this still has points ignition. And, nothing really electronic about it. It's all very old school. Oh, I know there's a faster way to do this. I'm sure of it. Okay, how about I pause you and I'll be right back. Success! Well, the whole damn thing came right straight down. Oh, these are not light, so we'll just set that up like that. Okay. One, power steering pump. Liberated. Okay, we're starting to be able to see a little more what we got going on here. Okay. And tilt you up a little bit there. Yeah, I know. Pause and then adjust. Let's try that. Okay, we're going to do a little flyby here. Show you where I'm at. And we just got the power steering pump off. Beautiful. And now there's the water pump. Gotta get that heater hose off and this alternator out. And then we can take off the water pump. Alright. Alright, I'm going to take off this heater hose. We may have some water in here, so that can be expected. Because not only do you have the main radiator, you've got the heater core, which is also a baby radiator. Yeah, we're working on it here. And there it is. Let's try to get this up and over out of the way. Okay. We got another one here. That's that little one I was telling you about in the previous video. I put this on with the water pump still attached. Takes a pair of needle nose vice grips to pinch your hose. And there you are. Well, I'm going to just get that loose. And then I'll go pull this off. I should take that right along with it. So we get both of these loose. We'll anticipate that. Okay. Or at least pray for that. All right, now, alternator. Oh boy. Okay. Right back. Well, wait. Let's try an end wrench on that. looks like previous installer really installed that. Right back. Okay, tool collection getting bigger. All right, so now try to do this without sending my arm to the moon. There we go. Who needs a mass amount of strength when you just have, all you need is a bigger lever? Ta-da-da-da. All right. Those are screwed on there. Okay. Now just stay right there then. Okay, we're loose. Looks like I gotta walk this out a ways. I can pull it. Well, maybe not. Are they coming out, or is it just laughing at me? Let's find out. Okay, little spacer there. Hose. She's in there. Just going around. Okay. Right back. Okay, just have to persuade it just a little bit. got a little bit of rust on her. I'll have to do it again. Let's come around and see if I can catch this. Come on, you. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. Let's set that there. Yeah, we should be good. Should be. Well, that's filthy. All right. Okay. Sometimes when you get a part out, it's been in there a little while. I don't know about you, but for me, I have to look at it for a second. Sleuthing out the history or something like that. I don't know. Now, here's my non-functioning oil sending unit. Need to get one of those. And we got some nuts to pull off this pulley here, and we got one big nut to take the balancer off. So, we'll get on that here in a little bit. Okay.